So first we will activate the extension through the manage extensions option, and now the extension is active in our Chrome browser. Now for an instance, let's open the official website of Devpost. Now we will open and run extension through extensions icon above. Here as we can see, our Gemini Nano is ready for its task. Now we will try to analyze the whole web page of Devpost through our extension by simply clicking on the send button. Now Gemini would take time to analyze the prompt, and after waiting for a while, it would return the analysis and key points of the web page as we can see over here. So now if we want to ask any other question regarding the web page, let's say if we ask that how can I participate in Devpost Hackathon, and then send the prompt to extension, Gemini Nano will again take a while to analyze the question and prepare a well researched answer for it. Now here we have our answer for the question as you can see over here. So now let's take another web page for another example. Let's open News Today and search for a news website. So now let's run our extension in this web page. Again, here we will click on the send button, and it will take a while to analyze the content, and then it will return all the key news about the web page and other important details in the web page. As we can see over here, it has returned about what the web page is about and what are the key news the web page is highlighting and all those other stuffs. Thank you so much for watching.